Do you ever ponder the significance of eggs in our diet? These humble oval-shaped delights have been a staple in our meals for centuries, but their importance extends beyond their role in our favorite breakfast dishes. Eggs are versatile in cooking, making them a convenient and affordable dietary option. Eggs, whether they are from free-range or cage hens, are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are packed with high-quality protein. Additionally, eggs contain several nutritional components that protect against chronic diseases, including vitamins, minerals, and a subgroup of carotenoids called xanthophylls. They are packed with high quality protein that has all the essential amino acids and, as such, is an important source of animal protein. However, all eggs are not created equal. The nutritional value of an egg can vary depending on the hen's living conditions and diet. Free range eggs, for instance, can have a different nutritional profile than their caged counterparts. Some studies have shown that these eggs may contain higher levels of certain nutrients, such as vitamins, fats, and xanthophylls, which are natural pigments that also possess antioxidant properties. Yet, it is important to note that the nutritional differences between free range and cage eggs can be subtle, and much depends more on the hen's diet. A study comparing the fatty acid composition of free range eggs from a local family farm and conventionally farmed eggs found that the main fatty acids represented were palmitic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid, and linoleic acid. The results, however, were not significantly different, indicating that the nutritional value of eggs is more or less consistent regardless of the hen's living conditions. Visually, cage eggs are generally more uniform in quality and appearance, with consistent color and size. Yet, the quality of an egg is not just skin deep. The age of the bird, for example, significantly affects the quality of the egg white in freshly laid eggs. Similarly, the quality of the eggshell impacts how gases and moisture travel through the shell pores and how well bacteria such as salmonella can cause internal egg contamination. Despite this, eggs do contain a type of protein called lysozyme, which serves as another defense against microbial contamination. However, improper storage can still lead to bacterial contamination of eggs. A study analyzing the changes in egg white proteins after 15 days of storage at 4, 20, and 37 degrees Celsius found that storage temperature influenced the changes in egg proteins more than the storage time. Higher temperatures led to egg white thinning faster due to degradation of certain proteins such as lysozyme. Additionally, recent research shows our choice of cooking method can significantly influence the retention of xanthophylls, with some methods leading to greater losses than others. The total xanthophyll losses range from 6 to 18%. To sum up, eggs, regardless of their origin, are an excellent source of nutrients, including high quality proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Free range eggs may offer slightly higher nutritional value, but the differences are often subtle and largely dependent on the hen's diet. Moreover, factors such as the age of the hen, storage conditions, can significantly impact the quality of eggs. So, next time you crack open an egg for your omelette or scramble, remember there's more to it that meets the eye. Thanks for watching.